Welcome to our guide on adding a company using Form 362. If you're a registered agent looking to expand your portfolio or a company appointing an agent, this process is essential for seamless compliance with ASIC. Adding a company with Form 362 allows a registered agent to officially manage the regulatory obligations of that company. It ensures ASIC's records are up to date and that the agent has the authority to act on the company's behalf. So how does this process work? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Agreement. Between the agent and company. First, the company must agree to appoint the registered agent. This is typically done through a formal agreement outlining the agent's responsibilities. Next, the agent completes Form 362. This includes their registered agent number, the company's ACN, and an indication that this is for adding a new company. Once the form is ready, submit it to ASIC through their online portal or via post. Be sure to double-check the details to avoid any delays. After submission, ASIC will process the request and confirm the company has been added to the agent's portfolio. With the company officially linked, the agent can now manage ASIC communications, file documents, and ensure compliance with ease. Need help with Form 362 or other ASIC compliance tasks? Contact us at Company Changes today. We're here to simplify the process for you. For details, visit our website, companychanges.com.au. You can call us on 02-9684-4199 or email us at sales@companychanges.com.au.